Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What a week it was. Last week has been a roller coaster in Bank Nifty. I am not sure how you guys did, but it was very exciting. I think something has changed in Bank Nifty and there is a lot of algo movement which you can see. When you expect the market to slow down, suddenly an up move comes and it takes out all the stop losses and it goes up like 300-400 points within no time. So something was very disturbing last week, but still our debit spread strategy gave us money. So we will discuss about that in today's session, and also we will analyze Bank Nifty and stocks today. So let's get started.
Okay, so we are all set. So let's analyze the market. This week the market has been really volatile. And volatile in the sense India VIX didn't increase much, but wherever it was, there was a lot of algo movement you can see, because orders were triggered in a stack and the price was moving up crazily when you expect it to go down. So let's look at that. First we'll analyze the Bank Nifty on a monthly time frame. As we discussed in the last session, you can see this has cleared this high. So there is definitely an up move, and this open was here, this open was here. You can see there is definitely an up move. We can expect further up move till this level, so it can touch the 200 period moving average, and from there it can form, first it can form a green bar like this, later second of the month it can become a bar like this, and then it can start coming down. And since this is a level of support, again it can take a retrace, it can go up if everything goes fine. So that's on a monthly time frame. Let's analyze this on a weekly time frame. So this was a very tough market last week. As you can see, first it formed a complete green and then it formed a topping tail bar. Now most of you think that this is a reversal bar on a 20 period moving average, but you have to watch for the volume. Look at the volume. There was no volume. So on always a reversal bar with a volume which is higher than the previous bars, then you can expect a reversal to happen. If there is no volume, please don't expect this to happen. Maybe market will open up and it can go above from here. So you have to be watchful of that. It looks like that it is going to go up further from here. And our first target will be the super trend, where there is a lot of resistance here at 25,519. Let's analyze this on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame also, this bar was a reversal candle. Sorry, I used something else. So this was a reversal candle. But here you can see the volume was decent, and then a red bar has formed. So we can expect some retracement till here, till this level. And you can, when you see a green bar taking out this red bar, you can expect the trend has changed. What do you notice here? Let me tell you. Let me draw a trend line for you on this so that we can clearly see what is visible on this chart. So let's see. So how many touches we have? 1, 2, 3. It's almost close to the touch. So what do you see? So you can actually say that there is an uptrend which is being visible. First it went up, came back, retraced, then a new high, then came back. A new low was higher low was formed, then a new high. Now a new high again. Okay, this was a new high. Now if it retraces from this level, the trend is going to continue. Simple thing. If it continues to go up from here, it can go up till here. This can be a target, but it will not go in a single day, it will go multiple days. so you have to wait. If it breaks down, then there is a possibility that trend might change, and there can be multiple bars till this level. This is the next level of support. Okay, I hope you're getting me. This is the next level of support, and from there again there can be a movement towards up. This is on a daily time frame. So let's analyze this on a 15-minute time frame. What do we get to see? So 15-minute time frame, we can easily see that this was consolidation, this was up move, again this is consolidation, and this is a down move. We can see stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Now what do you expect here? Again stage 1. There can be consolidation here, and then there can be an up move or there can be a down move, which is what we need to watch out for. This can be your support levels. Let's go to a 5-minute time frame and see what has happened. So let me show you that this was away from 20-period moving average. This was away from 20-period moving average. It opened up. Look at the volume of this bar. This is what I was saying. When you have a candle like this supported by this kind of a volume, you should blindly go short. There is no other looking back. Already there are so many people who are selling it, so you can blindly go short on this candle. And look at this bar of volume. The market came down crashing. Okay, then it retraced up to 25% levels. Okay, this was our fall, retracement 25, and then again continued. Then so this was the first low, this is the next low. Now there is a retracement again up to 60-65% of this trend, but here it formed a higher low. Okay, so it didn't break this low. There is a new low which is formed, so you have to watch this very carefully. So now the trend has changed. This is your trend change confirmation. When you have a lower low, and then the next is again a higher low, then you can go long here. So on this time frame we are getting a long signal, but the long signal has to clear this resistance, then only it can move up till here, which is 22,730. Okay, let's see if the market opens below this level on Monday or somewhere on this level and it breaks down, then you expect a new low to form, and then you expect a 25% retracement again. So whenever you see a fall like this, you have to wait. If you are a contra trader, then you can go long immediately after this green gets cleared and catch this 25% move. Or if you are following the trend, then you wait for the reversal to come to 20-period moving average, give a reversal sign like this, and then short, and then add. So here you will make money. So like this, it is all about timing the market, and most of the people actually think that I've taken an entry, I have shorted it here, and stop loss was here, a stop loss was taken out, then it went into my direction. So you need to be very careful. You have to give it a certain time to level to play. If you are shorting it here, so watch this for few minutes or maybe like half an hour like this, and you have to wait above this super trend. You have to have it in your mind that if this super trend crosses, then immediately I'm going to cut the trade. So that's how you should think, and give it some space to play. So you have seen that it has gone up, it has gone till here, and on this bar you can add one more so that your average becomes better, and then from there you could have made money. So this is how all the professionals do. They wait and they know that it is not going to go up. The moment they see that trend has reversed, now for in this day like this, trend reversal will happen only if it clears the open. Clearing the open would have been a big indication that the trend has changed. You cannot short anymore. You have to look for long entries like this. Okay, so that's how the professionals play, and that's how you make money. And what do we do in our trading? Especially what I did on Friday is that I waited for this on a 3-minute time frame, and then after this candle itself I have actually gone with a debit spread. That means I bought a put which was 28,800 put I bought, then I sold a 23,000 put. Okay, so there was a 300 point difference, and then I have carried it till the day, and I have exited it almost here. Okay, so this was the point where I exited. I made about 3,500 on this, so without doing much of an effort. It's just an indication, but I am ready to lose if it breaks here. If the trade goes against me, then I have to cut the trade immediately. So that was my rule, and it's a hedged position, so I don't have to worry about stop losses. So in option hedging, that is the best part, that you don't have to worry about stop loss, and you don't have to worry about these kind of wigs which are going to take stop loss. So you are selling a put and you're buying a put. So if this put will actually give you higher returns because the gamma effect will be there, and it will be going up continuously if it is in trend, and this will lose money a little bit. So overall you will be in gain, and whenever this kind of sudden movement comes, definitely put will be in good profit. So you can cut this put, and if you know the market very well, you can wait for this retracement, and at this level you can cut this put also. So that will be a profit will be double on that level. So you have to play it like that. This was about Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is now looking better than Nifty actually. Nifty has both of them actually started. Bank Nifty was weaker first and then Nifty was strong, but now Bank Nifty is looking strong and Nifty is looking weak. So let's see what happens. I would say that it is going to be a little sideways market for a couple of days, as we analyzed on a 15-minute time frame, that it is going to be in this zone for some time. This will be the zone in which it will be there, like this, and we are waiting for a breakout here or breakdown here. Okay, now let's go to where do you want to actually buy options? See, buying options, as I said, buying a put at the right time when you see the momentum is going to happen. Let's go to the previous day and see what happened. So this was a complete sideways movement day, right? This was the day. You can see came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, like this. Finally it went up, and people thought it is going to be bullish next day, but it opened gap down. So there is a lot of indecisiveness between bulls and bears, and now I see that some bit of bears were happy to get it down here, but here it is going to consolidate for some more time. That is the view. And if you want to buy a put or a call, listen to this very carefully. Where do you have to scalp? See, if you get into a market like this, always consider your VWAP. If the VWAP is flat like this, okay, you can expect the market to go above and below that. That will be a sideways market. So here you can sell both call and put and make money. Or else if you see the market is like this, you have to wait for the VWAP to break, and upon this you have to buy a call. And which call you buy? Like the call which is here, like 22,000. Just buy the call which is in the market, 22,000 call here. When the price closes above the VWAP, and you see, boom, 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 you could have actually exited here itself. Because we don't want to wait for longer period of time, we don't know whether the trend is going to continue or not. But if you continue, then see, this would have been your gain. Nice free momentum here. Only retracements on VWAP, and it moved. And the moment VWAP crossed, again it went up, again it was strong, and again it crossed here. From there it has fallen. So like this, your scalping has to be done always near the VWAP, and you have to see which side is the strength. Is it a green candle which is going to close above the VWAP? Then you go long. If it is a red candle which is closing below the VWAP or any topping tail bar, then you go buy put. So that's how you have to do option buying, and that too for intraday, because in option buying you will lose the theta, that is, you will lose the value of your option if you carry it further. So that's how you have to trade and do option buying. I hope that is clear for you, and hope you are following all the strategies which have been shared by me. So that's it for this video, and let's get connected on the next video. And do write to me, like comment section, like what exactly you want me to cover in the next topic. I will try to cover that. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a great day.